Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Google search history permanently. So in order to do this, it's really easy and I'm gonna run you through the steps in this video. Before I do so, however, do note that this will work on every device. I'm currently using an iPhone, but this will also work on Android and will also work on your computer. All you need is a Google account. So of course what you do is you wanna open up your browser. This will also work on Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, just every browser it will work. All you need to do is then click on Google just like this, and what you want to do is you want to go to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. Now what you want to do is you want to click on manage your Google account just like this, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on data and privacy. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on things you have done and places you have been, just like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on web and app activity, just like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down a little bit, just like this. And you're going to click on manage all web and app activities, just like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down a little bit and you can here filter by data and product. So you're going to click on it. What you then want to do is you want to make sure that this is clicked on all time. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that select all is enabled, so we actually clear our history of all things. Then simply click on apply. And now you can see what is what you're searching for. And then in order to delete it, you can simply click on delete results and you want to click on delete. And now it's literally deleting my results, and you can see deletion completed. And now all my search results are deleted and we can see that no results are left. So that's how you can permanently delete your Google search history. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.